Hi, I'm Brianna from the online team, and today we're going to go through the Coleman Deluxe 3x3 gazebo. So I've actually brought my gazebo along today. Before I bought this, I was asking myself a lot of the same questions you guys do. Let's start with the most common one. How easy is it to set up? The Coleman Deluxe gazebo goes up in less than 5 minutes thanks to some clever designing, like the Easy Glide leg setup, and no pinch comfort grip, which makes it easier for the kids to lend a hand. The canopy can be easily affixed to the frame using C-clips. Now that the gazebo has been erected, there are a few more crucial steps to be done before it's ready to go. Which brings us to the next question. How strong is it? This gazebo utilises a high quality steel frame and steel welded feet, giving it a nice solid build. And the canopy is a 300 denier polyester construct with sealed seams and a UV guard. Sturdy pegs and guy ropes are supplied, which must be used at all times to secure your gazebo in place. So, what accessories are available? At Tent World, we stock a wide range of universal accessories like pegs, guy ropes, anchors and lights. Each gazebo has its own set of wall accessories, which Coleman have provided as optional extras for this model. These are easy to set up by aligning the Velcro along the inner seam and are secured in place using the Velcro attachments along the legs. The center zip access means you can enclose the gazebo and still access it easily. The gazebo packs down just as easily as it sets up and fits comfortably into the wheeled carry bag, including the additional wall, which makes it easy to transport everything you need to your campsite, local park, market or beach. If you'd like to know more about the Coleman Deluxe gazebo, head down to your local store or head online at tentworld.com.au.